Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming hardware and software compatibility so you don't chase phantom options. Once done, update the OS and display drivers and connect the charger to avoid sleep during setup. Now open Settings and go straight to Display or Lock Screen Settings. This is where manufacturers expose always-on display or ambient options. Enable the feature and choose the basic visibility settings. Doing this first avoids driver conflicts and ensures the display controller will honor the always-on state during the later steps. Now configure what appears and how the screen behaves so you balance visibility and battery life. Choose minimal content, clock and priority notifications, and lower refresh or brightness to reduce drain. Once done, set separate AOD behavior for plugged-in versus battery use and adjust adaptive dimming to keep the image readable without full backlight. Finally, make sure your power plan prevents sleep when you want AOD active. Modify lid closed and sleep timers to match the always-on intent so the system doesn't suspend. Finish by testing across reboots and a full battery cycle to ensure consistency. Make sure apps have permission to show notifications on the lock or ambient screen. If your OS lacks built-in AOD, use manufacturer utilities or vetted third-party tools and apply registry tweaks cautiously. If the feature won't stay enabled, reset or reinstall the display driver, restore your power plan defaults, and check for OEM firmware updates. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle AOD off, reboot, then enable again. That often clears configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.